Start in the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most compassionate. Useful sentences. Useful sentences. Category jumle. The first one is a son was born to him. A son was born to him. هغه کره زوی شوی دی. Number second. Don't make stupid excuses. Don't make stupid excuses. چټي بهانې مه جوړوه. Number third. You are under his eyes. You are under his eyes. هغه تا ته په ډیره درنه سترګه ګوري. Number fourth. Do not bother me. Do not bother me. سر می مخوره یعنی مه په عذابوه. Number fifth. Any scoop. Any scoop. څه نوي زړی دي. Number sixth. He picked my pocket. He picked my pocket. هغه زما جیب ووهه. Number seventh. Don't grip my collar. Don't grip my collar. زما گریوان منیسا. Number 8. He is saying rubbish. He is saying rubbish. هاسی چټیات وای. Number 9th. Don't shirk the work. Don't shirk the work. د کار څخه ځان مه پټوه. Number 10th. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. هسې اوزګار مه کینه. Thank you.